Here we have a Mercedes S550 W221 chassis. We're going to replace the battery here. This is on the passenger side. You start by disconnecting the negative first. That's a 10mm nut right there. You don't need to remove it. Just need to loosen it up, and then we pull out the negative cable and put that away. Next, we disconnect the positive. You want to get that nut loose so that you can get the cable out. Then we need to remove this 10mm nut right here. And this is the bracket for the battery. Once you do that, you can move this up, turn it to the side and remove it. So now we have removed the bracket on top, disconnected the positive and the negative over here. The last thing we need to do is remove this 13mm bolt right here that holds that bracket down, the side bracket. So you want to look there carefully. Once you got that in there, you can remove it. There's the bolt. Right here we have the bracket. And the last step is to just remove the battery. You can see it's loose. It's pretty heavy, so you gotta be careful with this.